This is exactly how I edit and cut down raw footage in Premiere Pro super fast. So all you need to do is change 4 settings. Go to Edit, go to Keyboard Shortcuts, then type in Add Edit. Into the search bar, where it says Add Edit, click to the right of it and click W. Then go to the search bar again, click Delete, and in Clear and Ripple Delete, add E and Ripple Delete, make that Q on your keyboard. Then go to Undo and make that A on your keyboard. So just add it in and add A. Now that we got our shortcuts set up, here's how it works in action. So we've got some footage here from a previous video that I recorded, and the really simple way to do it is instead of pressing Control K to make a cut, as we did earlier, we made it W. So you can make it really simple, make another cut, press Q to ripple delete and bring the next section along. And maybe you don't need to ripple delete something, you just need to delete it normally. That's where E comes in. Say like you want to get rid of that gap, we get rid of it with the Q button. And then if you make a mistake, you simply press A again, and that acts as your undo. The beauty of it is that it's all on your left hand. So you don't have to move your hand around the keyboard in order to make edits and cut things up. So if we just want to edit this, we can edit that, cut that silence out, cut this silence out, and it just makes the editing process so much quicker.